Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308 in the GT line specification. This is a car that we've taken in part exchange. It comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 22,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.